Yorana, my name is Veriatu Panasa. I am born and raised in Tahiti. I moved here in 2017 with my firstborn and my husband. I am also the co-founder of Tanerai Inia Tahitian Cultural Center in the United States, as well as the director of Tamatuanui All Male Groups.
Yorana, my name is Rena Brenner. I am an Oritaiti dancer in California. I am also a Oritaiti teacher. I teach locally as well as students throughout the US and internationally on Zoom.
Yorana, my name is Thailand Buendia. I am a world-renowned dancer. I've competed internationally and nationally. I've won several overall competitions. I've won a world championship competition as well in Tahiti. I also drum. I'm a researcher of the Tahitian history so that it can benefit my Maohi heritage and continue a legacy that I come from, which is the Maniteranese.
Working with Varea has made such a difference in my learnings in the Oritaiti community. Even though I've been part of the community for most of my life, I didn't have much access to actually learn beyond just the dance aspect of Oritaiti. But since meeting Varea and working with her, I've learned so much more about the culture and the dance itself, things I didn't know, things I thought I knew but didn't know in depth. And also about costuming, which is a very important part of the Oritaiti solo community here in California. So it's definitely changed the way I view things and the way I approach things as well.
I would recommend anyone who's interested to seek the guidance from Varea. On a personal level, I know that Varea prioritizes a lot in her life. She prioritizes her education. She prioritizes her family, her husband, her sons, and she also prioritizes just being someone who perpetuates culture. In today's society, especially outside of Tahiti, a big draw is dancing, and I think the misconception is because you're a dancer, you are connected to the culture. Anyone that is Tahitian will tell you that that's just a piece of the puzzle, and I do believe that Varea is someone who has many pieces of the puzzle that can help you complete yours if you feel you need the guidance.
A lot of my students will approach me with questions that I don't have the answer to. I myself am not Tahitian, I am not Polynesian, so there's a lot of in-depth cultural questions that I do not have the answer to. But as a leader and a teacher, I love to do my best to guide them to the resources, and Varea is one of the resources I often will let them know about, because she has such an in-depth knowledge of not only her own culture, the dance, but also the costuming. And again, it's like another very important part of the community here that isn't often taught in groups that most people are part of. It's not something that's talked about in depth, learning more than just like, oh, this is a pretty color or this is a pretty shell. There's more meaning behind it, and a lot of it I don't know the meaning behind, so I will refer them to Varea to help them learn more about it.
My point is to share what I learned and I grew up with people who want to learn about Haitian culture.